Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color baby Pocoyo and baby Pato. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw Pocoyo. I start with his eyes that are closed. Then I draw his nose and a pacifier in his mouth. I draw his face and his head with a hat on. And I draw his fingers like this. He is sleeping under a blanket. Now I draw baby Pato next to him. I draw his eyes that are also closed. Then I draw a piece of broken egg on the top of his head. Then I draw his beak. He is sleeping next to Pocoyo under the blanket. Finally, I draw the bed. Fantastic! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I color the baby Pocoyo. I color his skin in cream. Then I use yellow for his pacifier. I color his clothes with blue. Now color baby Pato. I use yellow for his skin. And orange for his beak. I leave the egg white. Finally, I color his blanket with this marker. And I use aqua blue for the crib. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.